So I just finished doing an overhaul on my Odo 30. I think that's the length that this model takes, but I just finished doing an overhaul on my Odo Time and Strike wall clock. As you can see, it's running better now. So yeah. Also, this is not my first overhaul on any clock movement. I also did a overhaul on this a few days ago, and this as well a few days ago. And yes, it is running, except the swing arc is very narrow because it has a pop spring, but it still works somehow. Then that has a narrow swing arc as well, but that's typical for this clock. But yeah, that's just a little short video. That's just a little short video on my Odo 30. Now I'll show some photos of it before I cleaned it, and yeah. So yeah, there's the photos there. Anyways, it's gonna do it for this little video. Anyways, bye.